Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can remove the background in Canvas. Okay, you can remove any objects background, image background. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few methods that you can use and you can remove the background of any images or objects. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my canvas. So let me take one blank page or presentation page. Okay, here we have the canvas now. So for image, we can upload image. If you have your own image, you can upload from here. Just go to the upload option, and here go to the upload file, click on it, and after you open the window, just select your image and just open it. Then it will start uploading here. Now you can simply put on canvas. Just click on it, it will be put here like this. Now here you can remove the background. Just select that image and go to the BG remover, and if you don't find here, you can go to the edit options, and here you can see the option called BG remover. Okay, so this is background has been removed. But if you still want, if you still think that there is something is left, or if you don't want something, then you can double click on it and go to the BG remover again, and here go to the erase options. You can also restore. Okay, if you want to delete something, then go to the erase option. Okay, manage your size, that eraser size, or you can say that's cursor size, and you can simply select that area which you don't want, and it will be removed like this. And if you want to restore, just select that restore, and you can see like this view, which is original view, and you can restore that part like this. Okay, after done, make sure this option should be enabled, so you can see original perfectly, so you can restore your parts easily. Okay, now done. Now this is a background has been removed of this image. So that is the one options you can use. There is a other option I will show you. Go to the app. Under the app you can search for background remove. So you can see lots of app you can see. So you can select any one, like, okay, just select this only, open it. Now you can choose your file. Just go to the choose file, select your file. Now go to the remove background. I need to delete this original. Okay, it's working. Okay guys, so here the result. So this is the one option you can use. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.